Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I was going to show you guys how to properly install the NetCom7 socket library. That way you can use TCP, IP, and UDP networking in your software applications. So what you got to do first is go get it. So there's two links. The first one is the original, so it's this one here, and I'll put this in the description of the video as well. Now you're more than welcome to download the original by the Delphi builder guy. However, I have a friend named Spawn451 who has managed to update it over 10 times. And he has included new components for us for UDP communications. He also has added support for IPv4 and IPv6. So personally, I'll be using this one because it's been tested by us both over a period of a long while now. And it seems to be very stable and it works. So we're going to be using this one. Now you guys can, the process is exactly the same. So if you guys want to download the original from the original author and just use the original supported code or whatever, that's fine. I'm going to be downloading and using my friends just because I like to have UDP in there as well. It's kind of nice to have everything in one place. So what you have to do is just, in either case, on either page, you just hit the code button and hit download zip. So I'm going to download my friends, right? Now I already have it downloaded, so I'm actually not going to click this. But so you guys will click download zip, wait for it to download, and then extract it somewhere. And you have to put it somewhere where you're going to keep it. Okay? So in my case, I extract it directly to my socket components folder. And I'm going to leave it here. Okay, so when you extract it, you're going to see a bunch of stuff like this. And so yeah, essentially, once you get to this point, you'll see that you have a NetCom7 deproj here. This is what you're going to want to open in Rad Studio. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to copy this link path to where my stuff is, and I'm going to go to the IDE. I'm going to click File, Open. And then I'm going to browse to this location and open the NetCom7 deproj. So click Open. And guys, you're gonna have to bear with me for just a second here. Let me pull this screen over where you can see it. The IDE tends to kind of resize itself whenever you open different types of projects. So that will basically be it. So once you've got this opened up, what you'll want to do is over here on the right hand side, you're going to have a bunch of different stuff in here. So you're going to want to right click on this top little package looking thingy, this BPL file. So right click on that, compile it, right click on it, build it. And once everything is complete, you'll see it disappear, or you may have to click OK depending on how you've set that up. All you have to do, now that you've done that, is right-click Install. And as you can see, it has installed all of the following components perfectly fine. So I'm going to click OK. Now, what you have to do is you have to go back to the directory that you have it saved in, okay? And you have to go into Source. So go in here, copy this path. So copy the whole path, then go back to the IDE, go Tools, Options, type in Library Path, click on Library Path, click on Windows 32-bit, make sure that's the selected platform is Windows 32-bit, it should be by default, then click on the top ellipsis button, this ... button right here for the library path. Click on that. And you're going to be presented with a window probably like this on your screen. It'll be smaller. It'll probably be more like this, probably. So just select down here all of this text and backspace, like that, okay? Then paste, Control V, and then click Add. Now that you've added this, remove this and click backspace. Now go back to your folder and click on the encryption folder. So go into this folder now. Now copy this path Okay, and you can close this out now after you've copied the encryption path. So close this out, paste that path, and click Add. So at this point, you should have added two paths, the source path and the encryption path. Then hit OK, save, file, close all, and that's it. If it asks you to save anything, just hit no to everything. Just hit no. You don't wish to save. Now you can go File, New, Windows VCL Form Application, and we're just waiting on this to open a new thing. So all you have to do at this point, let me just kind of drag that back down there, boys. All right, so at this point you can type in server S or whatever to get quickly to the NetCom tab. So you'll have a new tab called NetCom7, and you can start dragging and dropping different socket components onto your form. And when you do this, you can try them all out just to see if they're all going to work. Make sure they're all dragged on there and click Run. If the program runs just like this and it's blank, that means it worked. That means you properly installed all this stuff and you can use it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how to install NetCom7. We have accomplished that. If you have any questions, comments, whatever, leave them in the comment section below the video, and I will talk to you in there. All right, guys, until next time, peace out.